going out there. Peter, you're not going out there. Peter, get back in here. Go get him, Mama. Now I gotta lock that door. That's how long it's gonna take. Peter, come on, Pups. Better turn around. Children, we're not gonna go outside. Come on, let's go. Let's go this way. I'm gonna lock it up. Oh, look at those little feet. Oh, Peter. Come on. No, y'all are not going out there. Y'all are too little. Mom decided. Oh, you're just gonna go sit there? Come on, let's go back. Come on. Come on this way. Come on this way. Oh my gosh. Children, come here. Come back up. It's too scary out there. There's big dogs out there. Oh God. Well, I gotta go get them. Come on, let's come back. Good boy. Okay, come on, let's come back. Let me close it. Oh, smart puppies. It's hard to have smart puppies. It really is. The Doogie Doo ones are so much easier. Okay, let me go get them.